Hello and welcome to another update video about GRT. GRT is in a larger corrective pattern, in my opinion, in this ABC structure that we talked about before. The move down looks like a corrective pullback, however, within a larger correction because the move up was not clearly impulsive, so I label it as a wave B. It so far is holding the 78.6 retracement, which is important if it wants to be bullish eventually. Yeah, just be aware because this is a B wave. They can go quite deep. And it all depends on, okay, does this level now hold? The 8.95 cent level is a 78.6 retracement. I think if it loses that level, first of all, it loses the last swing low. And then in terms of previous support resistance, that there isn't much. So, you know, the air is getting quite thin air, a lot of thin air below that level. Let's just get the chart updated. Internet seems to be a bit slow, but what I want to communicate is below that level, there is a lot of thin air. You see it, it's all black. No, joking. So it's there. See, there isn't much in terms of historical support resistance. So really, the next level that would be applicable and relevant below 8.95 cents is the 7 cent level, the 88.7 Fibonacci retracement. We've got also here previous resistance. I have a few spikes here and previous support broadly in that region as well. And then below that level, we've got 5.2 cents, yeah, possibly all the way to 5.3. So we've got here an area of support and and further support here. Basically the previous structural support and resistance levels. It's not good for the chart if it breaks below the 78.6 retracement. However, there is additional support left. First of all, those structural previous resistance levels, which will most likely act as support, coupled with the 88.7 Fib level. But below that level, I would go as far to say that it's most likely going to invalidate any further upside in this particular structure. It can always turn around then, but it wouldn't be in this ABC structure. And overall, it is quite a bearish chart, to be honest, because it made a new all-time low in this bear market based on this Binance chart. Yeah, and the move up initially was also just an ABC and then a 5-wave move down. So it could literally end up being quite a bearish chart. You see it better on the log scale. Let's just make it a bit larger, where we actually had a 3-wave move up, a 5-wave move down, pretty clear, where the wave 5 was an ending diagonal, and now we're doing an ABC pullback. That could simply be, and I still had it set on linear, so disregard all that. But basically what could happen, these 5 waves might just be a wave 1 to the downside. This could be an ABC pullback in a wave 2. Could still get some decent upside, but the problem is this chart, I'm not sure if it will ever be really, let's say, bullish again. It needs to really show a lot and prove a lot in order to give us really a bullish structure. Doesn't mean it couldn't go up. It can, but it would most likely be in a corrective structure. And important would really be to hold that, to hold the, what did I say? 1 second, let's go back to the downside here. Well, to hold in the first instance would be positive to hold the 8.95 cent level. Okay, if it loses that, then we've got the 7 cent level. Interesting. If we add the log chart, the fibs are a bit different, of course. Here it reacted to the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement. And the 7 cent level here is the 78.6 fib level. So let's agree on something that below the last swing low, the 7 cent level is going to provide additional support, but it needs to provide now a 5-wave move up, followed by a subsequent 3-wave pullback to indicate it is bottomed. It is simply not enough evidence at this stage that it has bottomed. It can, of course, yeah. And if anybody wants to go long here, we simply have not enough evidence to say that it's turning around here right now. But a 5-wave move up with a 3-wave pullback would give us additional evidence. Resistance is at 15 cents, the previous spike, and getting above that level would have further bullish implications. But yeah, basically, as long as we are holding the last swing low, the focus could be on higher in a C wave, but I'm not very confident yet. Below that level, it has another chance to turn around at 7 cents. That's my update about GRT, the graph. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.